guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in front of me I have a crochet jacket that I made about 2 weeks ago. I wanted to show you guys. So it's basically a cocoon type jacket. I put buttons down the front, I crocheted a hood, and that's basically it. The next thing I crocheted is this headpiece. It's a headband. It's another simple piece. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on and come back and let you see. Okay guys, instead of me trying it on, I thought I would just put it on the mannequin so I can actually show you much better. Alright, so this is what it looks like on. You can see the design, you can see the color, and these are the stitches that I use. For the stitch I only use single crochet stitch, and for the body double crochet stitch. For the sleeves a single crochet stitch as well. Alright, you can see the details of the garment. Alright, and this is what the back looks like. For some reason this reminds me of a turtle shell. It's really cute. Alright, and this is the hood. First what I did is I made a band for the collar first before. I made a band first going across the neck, and then I made the hood. And I also made a headband that I'll be putting on so you guys can see how it looks. Alright guys, this is the crochet headband to the jacket. There's a slight twist in the front here. Everywhere else is just plain. But you can see the stitch in here. It's a single crochet stitch that I gave this. Right, and this is to be worn with my jacket.